Good morning AMC, we're straight into another day and we are right in at the deep end. We've seen this one decline by 5.5% today so far, and bear in mind we are less than an hour in. You're seeing how that price decline has happened. We're coming straight down basically, and of course we're coming down now to this point below the 1450 mark. Trying to break above 1450 now, but this is not going to be a technical analysis video because that is not what's really important on this stock if you ask me. It's more important to look at the things going on behind the scenes. I do want to take a moment to remind you of that, but yes, we are going to be focusing on the price as well. Again, not in great detail, but we are going to be looking at it. So if it sounds good, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. But remember, this is only my opinion, not financial advice. So I want to pick up actually on yesterday first, because I did speak about yesterday earlier on in the day. I said that one did also have the possibility to be a fairly red day. And of course, now look at the chart, you're seeing this trend continue for some time. We're seeing steeper and steeper red days, ever since we failed to break above the price point of 20 really, we've seen the price start to walk down. Volume is doing the same thing. If you have a look at the volume over here, you can basically draw a line across the top of that and see it's working its way down over time. And that really is interesting to me because, as we know, AMC is mainly held by retail, and it goes back to a simple rule of supply and demand. If we keep holding and nobody's selling, why does the price keep moving down? I think it does point back to that manipulation. Now, obviously related specifically to AMC, this is the perfect time for them to run it down, because just look on this board over here, right? From crypto to trending stocks, the stocks that we normally look at, everything is red so far, but not really anything is red like AMC. AMC is definitely doing one of the worst that I have seen, especially for a stock that hasn't seen a massive run up. Some of these have seen massive spikes, but AMC isn't one of them. AMC is, of course, in the past even 6 months, just continuously working its way down. So there's no reason for it to drop like it has done today. But I think what we're looking at now is a bit deeper than that. It's not really too important, in my opinion, to look at the price. It's more important to look at what we're seeing from behind the scenes, and we are seeing a lot from there. The market's not doing awfully well in the past few days, especially in the past few weeks actually, and we know the situation that hedge funds are in. Of course, for the first time in this whole year, we are seeing a few articles being written about positive things regarding AMC, because it's becoming increasingly hard to bash the stock. The information is now out and anybody can access it. Adam Aron told us everything that we need to know on our latest earnings. And people now are, or at least should be, feeling a lot more convicted to AMC, if they were feeling that way already, because everything that they believe in has basically been confirmed. The company's working its way back around to being a very good company. Movies coming out this year are looking good and have been so far. And of course, on top of that, we know that retail owns around 90% of the float or more. So think about that, right? It doesn't take a genius to work out this is a company which is doing quite well, and that's not even considering the squeeze. Now, we know the situation that hedge funds are in as well, and I do think it is only a matter of time. So, back in 2008, the hedge funds were very over-leveraged. We know now as well that hedge funds are significantly more over-leveraged than even they were back then. And we had a few events back then which were impressive in the market. Ultimately, though, it was a bit of a market crash, as you will know. And where we are right now, a lot of people are anticipating that market crash again. And I think a lot of the data does point to the possibility of that. I think we're going to be looking at that more in the next few days and in the next few videos. But yes, the markets are looking weak as a whole. So remember that when you're considering where AMC is. Yes, we are dropping today, and I do believe they will probably drop it lower. Who knows, they may go as low as 13 or even lower than that. I always said that 10 was a possibility for AMC, and I do still believe that is the case. But I'm going to keep my eyes out. I'm going to continue to hold, because that's just what I have learnt to do in the past year. Whatever you guys do is up to you. But again, I'm ready for the worst today. It may come, it may not, but it never hurts to be prepared. I want to hear your opinions on where AMC is right now. What do you think to it? Where do you think we're going next? Do drop me a comment below. For now though, goodbye. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.